I'm Jacob Mercer, and this is my friend Michael Freeman. Hi. Today we're going to do something that's going to blow your mind. During the Super Bowl, you may have heard of something called the bacon explosion. If you haven't heard of it, look it up. But it's something so completely unhealthy, it'll clog your arteries instantly. But it can't compete with a little thing I like to call instant diabetes. Today, we're going to be doing the candy explosion.
Okay, here's what you need. Candy bars. We like Snickers, but you can use any kind of candy bar you want. Over 1.5 pounds. Fruit by the foot. 36 feet to be exact.
It's 12 yards.
And gummy bears.
Everything is better with gummy bears. First step is to unwrap all of your candy. Doing so will ensure the best tasting candy explosion. Maybe you shouldn't be taping this whole thing.
Too late.
Too late.
We only have one chance at this. So if we mess this up.
Maybe we should unwrap these later. Not these now. Just keep unwrapping these.
Okay.
You know Snickers was named after a horse?
Probably.
And there you have it. All of the Snickers are unwrapped. We're using the flywheel method to unroll these like this. Get all the way out. Pull it off. Michael is going to fold these into thirds.
Yes. If I can.
If you can.
I think you guys can.
A little more than half across.
Good enough.
And you did a terrible job. I'm the rest of these. Do you have other boxes?
No, that's all.
John, did you hide a box from us?
John.
Did you, John? Answer me, my stupid.
John, you can talk.
No, I didn't hide a box.
Thank you. I still don't believe you.
Whatever.
How close do we want them together?
Close as possible.
We want them as close as possible together.
The one on YouTube said put them as close as possible.
You can't talk anymore, right, John? We allowed you to talk one time. You're just taking advantage of it. Alright, on to the next step. Intertwine the fruit by the foot. And that's basically the shape you need. We needed to transfer said weaving of fruit roll-up to another piece of paper, so we let John do that, and apparently the best way to do so was to fling it across the table onto the other one. So now John is fixing it.
And I'll make it better than it was in the first place.
No, not really.
Way to go, John.
The next step is cooking your Snickers. You're going to set your oven to 170, and you're going to set your Snickers on some wax paper. Now you're going to cook them until they form Pangea Snickers. They're all melted together, but not too melted. Now, when you're...
Jacob, wait.
What?
You forgot your oven.
Oh, thank you, Mark. Always be safe. Never cook without an oven. As you can see, the Snickers is about cooked. You're going to want to take it out of the oven. You can see it's melted.
Delicious.
Delicious too. It smells really good, actually. My friend Michael's going to put this wax paper on top of the Snickers. And we're going to squeeze together all of the Snickers. And then we shall put it back in the oven for approximately 4 minutes. Don't do that. Okay. It's pretty cooked now. I'm gonna take it out while it's still nice and warm. We're gonna remove this wax paper. Set it this side up so you don't get chocolate on your stuff. I'm gonna pick this layer up. And we're gonna do like 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, perfect. Flip it onto your fruit roll-ups. And you're gonna peel it off. And you're gonna wanna sprinkle them on top of the chocolate. Now, the next step is you're going to want to roll up the chocolate part of it with the gummy bears.
And this might not work.
Whoa. It's actually working horribly. Does that not look appetizing? And you've got a big log of nasty. Now the next step is to roll the fruit roll-ups around it. If Michael can go ahead and do that for us. Nice.
This is beautiful.
And it's falling off the wax paper, so we could pick it up and flip it.
Okay.
Flip it around this way, so we don't get your mom's nice countertops.
Just slide it.
Now the next step is to baste your candy explosion log with chocolate syrup. Now for the health conscious, low-fat chocolate syrup is available in many varieties, so always keep that in mind. There, want to get a nice film of chocolate. You don't want to see any tie-dye berry fruit roll-ups. You just want to see chocolate.
Alright.
A little bit extra for good measure. Oop. Bring out the taste of it. Alright, we are
Okay.
good. If you're planning on making little unhealthy sandwiches out of this, you're going to need to freeze it. So, put it in this pan so the chocolate doesn't drip. Stick it right in the freezer, maybe an hour, and just let it go. Once frozen, you're going to want to carve your candy explosion into about maybe 1/2-inch sections. It's going to be quite hard. You're going to want to saw through it. And this may take a while. This is what your slices should look like once sliced. You can see the multiple layers inside and the chocolatey delicious outside. Once made, it's time to eat. I like to put mine between oatmeal cream pies for the full deliciousness.
Don't have to cheat.
A little chocolate sauce on top. Can't go wrong with that.
Hook me up.
Anytime. Is you ready to dine in? The candy explosion was successful. You'll know it's successful when after eating it, you feel terrible. You want a nap. So I'm gonna go take a nap. Okay. Keep filming.
Yeah.
Do you remember my insulin shot? Yeah, I got it. That's actually pretty good.
Oh yeah, real good.
I like it.